Hi everyone, welcome back to my uke channel. I'm just playing around here on this custom Miller ukulele. It's a solid rosewood back and sides, solid cedar top. Nice little tenor ukulele. Anyway, I've just been messing around with some chords, as I always do, and just, looking at some old songs that I can't remember how to play. I've written heaps of songs on ukulele, especially a few years back when I played in a uke cello duo called Golligaross. Did 3 albums, and a lot of those songs I hadn't played for like 12 years at least, and I've forgotten how to play most of them, but I'm just revisiting some of the weird odd chords I used to play in some of those songs, and trying to find some different ways to play or write some new songs, Ah. Anyway, just mucking around. I hadn't done a video for a while, so I thought I'd just stick my phone on while I'm sitting around here playing on my uke. Bye.